Alright, so today we have a phone from Tecno. The Tecno Camon 20 Premier 5G. This has some never seen before features. But before we get to that, let's talk about Tecno as a smartphone brand because they make some innovative phones. Like this Tecno Phantom X2 Pro where the camera lens can move out for better zoom. Or the Tecno Fold V which was the most affordable fold. We have already done a video on it. You can go check that out after watching this one here. Now, these are all premium phones with premium pricing, but this Tecno Camon 20 series has 3 phones in it. Tecno Camon 20 at 14,999, Tecno Camon 20 Pro at 19,999, and this is Tecno Camon Premier for under 30,000. And at that price, this packs in some really cool features like the storage is 512 GB, 108 megapixel ultra wide angle and macro camera, sensor shift OIS, 32 megapixel AI shining selfie. We have to find out all of that. So the question that has to be asked is, at 30,000, is this really a premium phone? Well, even I want to know the answer, so let's see how that goes. Okay, so you get this huge box. Of course, you won't get this when you buy the phone, and inside you get the main material. So you get the phone. So here you get some paperwork. Oh, so this is like a premium looking case. It has frosted back, and then you get the silicon sides. No more yellow dirty fellow. A 45 watt charger, Type A to Type C cable, and finally this square shaped SIM ejector tool. So everything you get in the box, really environment friendly. Now the first thing that you will notice when you use the phone is the design, and there are two very interesting things here. First, see, it has a completely boxy design and it can stand on its own, independent. And this is a bold move because in 2023, most brands are making curved phones. And generally speaking, even I prefer curved design, but I like this one here because of the back. And there is also line all over here. It gives a pretty modern vibe to me. Plus the in-hand experience is pretty nice. Second would be this unique camera island. And this is very important to me because whenever I'm in public, I spot phones based on the camera island. Also come close, see here, you have the design inside the camera lens, and then even on the flash, you can see different LED segments. I like these small design touches. The only thing is you have a polycarbonate frame, but hold on, let me show you how it looks with the case. Wow. See? It looks so good. So from a design point of view, I would say that Tecno looks pretty unique. Now there are 3 unique features with this phone and 2 of them are in these big camera holes. First would be the megapixel. Like it has a 50 megapixel main camera, which is normal. But then it also has sensor shift stabilization. I'll come to that in just a moment. But now this has an ultra wide angle camera which is 108 megapixel. Yes, finally. So we click these pictures on the ultra wide angle camera and I would say the pictures are good. Like it does seem a bit vibrant than normal, but not too much. Now since this is 108 megapixel, the pictures are very sharp and even if you zoom in, see there are enough detail. Now this same ultra wide angle camera doubles up as a macro camera and look at these macro pictures. Damn. You can even shoot 4K videos from this macro camera and the video looks so unique in perspective. And the same pictures are good from the main camera as well, like the details, color and everything are pretty nice. See this picture of the grass? The natural background blur looks so cinematic. The HDR at situations can be a bit better. Now the second unique thing about this phone is the sensor shift stabilization. Okay, so let me explain what that is. So see here, this is an expensive 2 lakh camera and if I open the lens, you can see the sensor of the camera can move. So this is called sensor shift stabilization. The more the movement, the better the stabilization. So you get the same mechanism in this Tecno Camon 20 Premier. So this here is an extreme example. This we took a video at 4K 30 FPS and on the right we have ultra stabilization enabled at 1080p 30 FPS. So see the video is more stable. Now this sensor shift stabilization is not a new concept in phone because Apple had done it since iPhone 12. But it's the first time that some brand is doing it under 30,000. Other than this, you get a 32 megapixel front selfie camera that can record in 2K 30 FPS max. So that's unique. And even the selfies come out good. Overall, in terms of camera, I really like the 108 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Like the macro shots are one of the best in this price range because everyone just gives you a 2 megapixel macro camera. And then for the main camera and the front camera, it was good. Now the third unique thing about the phone is in performance. So this comes with the all-new Dimensity 8050 processor with 8GB RAM. Now usually in this price segment you get to see 256GB storage, but the Tecno Camon 20 Premier starts from 512GB UFS storage. So in normal day-to-day activities like watching videos, browsing social media and all of that, there is no lag or anything as such. Now we ran Antutu on it and it scored around 7,10,000, which is closer to Snapdragon 870. But now let's play some BGMI and see how it performs. So the max that you can go is HDR ultra frame rates, but we'll play at 60 FPS smooth graphics. So overall we lost the game. I think I didn't have a good team. But overall the gameplay was good. There was no unnecessary frame drops and all, and it doesn't even feel that hot. Now the phone is running on Android 13 and it comes with Tecno's custom skin called Hi. So it is different from stock Android. Like see here, if you swipe from the top right, you have your home center, and now if you swipe down from the left, you get your notifications. Like this is a split implementation. That being said, you do get quite a few bloatwares like Snapchat, Candy Crush, and about 6 or 7 apps which can be easily uninstalled. Also, Tecno is promising Android 14 by the end of this year, and you will get 2 years of security updates. Besides this, the phone comes with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz AMOLED display, and I would say the quality of the display is good. Like the colors are poppy, brightness and all is fine. Plus you get Widevine L1 certification, so you can watch Netflix and all of that in 1080p. Also you get an in-display fingerprint sensor which is pretty fast and accurate as any other in-display fingerprint scanner. Now you also get dual stereo speakers and a separate grille at the top. And I would say the sound quality is nice for the price. Also, you get a 5000 mAh battery which can charge at 45 watts, charger included in the box. So basically it can go 100% in around 1 hour or so. Plus you get all the necessary sensors here including NFC. Also you get 14 bands of 5G, plus there's IP53 splash resistance. So what's the conclusion? Is this a good phone under 30,000? Well, honestly, for the price, the hardware that you get in this phone is really good. This Tecno Camon 20 Premier has more premium build, more camera features, etc, etc. And on that note, this is Pratik signing off. See you in the next one. Pew, pew, pew.